Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall DevSkiller then update LinkedIn tech hiring profile. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling DevSkiller, navigate to the control panel. Click on Programs or Programs and Features. Locate DevSkiller in the list of installed applications. Right-click on DevSkiller. Select the Uninstall option. Follow the prompts to confirm the uninstallation. Once uninstalled, restart your computer to ensure all components are removed. Now that DevSkiller is uninstalled, open your web browser. Go to the LinkedIn website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the featured section on your profile page. Click on the pencil icon to edit this section. Here, you can add or remove any featured projects. To update your tech hiring information, scroll down to the Skills and Endorsements section. Click the pencil icon next to this section. Add any new skills relevant to your expertise or industry. If you want to remove any old skills, click the X next to them. Next, navigate to the Experience section of your LinkedIn profile. Click on the pencil icon to edit your work experience. Update any job titles, descriptions, or dates as necessary. When you're finished, scroll down and click Save. Review your profile for any additional changes or updates you may want to make. Make sure your profile reflects your current skills and experiences accurately. Once everything is updated, your profile is ready to showcase your latest qualifications. You're now set with an updated LinkedIn tech hiring profile after uninstalling DevSkiller. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.